Math time, my favorite. Hi, first graders. I'm here to talk to you about today's Thanksgiving review math. So, we're going to talk about fact families. Fact families are when you write all of the number sentences that can go along with one set of numbers. So a good fact family might be 10, and 2 parts of 10 are 3 and 7, right? You with me? Let me make that 7 a little better so you can see it. So I can easily look at this number bond and I can say 3 plus 7 equals 10, right? Yeah, you're with me so far, aren't you? Okay, and then I can take the 3 and the 7. I can always flip-flop parts. The whole has to stay in the same place. These are the parts. This is the whole, your big number. So I'm going to flip-flop the 3 and the 7. 7 plus 3 equals 10. So 3 plus 7, 7 plus 3, both make 10. The number bond tells me that. Then when I subtract, I'm going to write 2 subtraction number sentences. And I always start subtraction sentences with the whole. What I'm going to flip-flop, it is the parts. So I'm going to start with 10 minus 3 would equal 7. Now I'm going to flip-flop the 7 and the 3. 10 minus 7 is 3. So I can prove this with a picture. I'm going to make my 5 groups picture. There's 5 and 5. And I can section off 7, 5, 6, 7. I can section off 7. And I have 7 and 3. So it doesn't matter if I do 7 from this direction or that direction. I can say the 7 and the 3, making 10. So I can put the 3 plus 7 or the 7 plus 3. I can put 10, take away 3, leave 7, or I can put 10, take away the 7, leaves me 3. Got it? You're going to do that today on this turkey paper. Gobble, gobble. These are like number bonds on the signs. And what I did is I turned them into sideways number bonds. The 9 is the big number here. 6 and 3 are the parts. The 5 is the big number here. 2 and 3 are the parts. 7 is the biggest number. 2 and 5 are parts of 7. This is a tricky one. I filled it in for you. 12 is the big number. 4 and 8 are the parts. On this one, 8 is the big number, and 2 and 6 are the parts. And on this one, 10 is your big number, 9 and 1 are the parts. So once you figure that part out, I just made little number bonds on there. You may want to pause on this screen and get that written down. And I went ahead and made the number sentences for 12 with parts as 4 and 8. 4 plus 8 makes 12. Flip, flop, 8 plus 4 equals 12. Now I started my subtraction sentences with the whole. If you start with one of the parts, your subtraction sentence will not be correct. You have to start with the big number, the whole. So 12 minus 4 is 8. Flip, flop. 12 minus 8 equals 4. Parts flip-flop. Parts flip-flop. Wholes do not. Parts flip-flop. Wholes do not flip-flop. The whole stays the same. The parts can change what order. This number bond is still true even if I switch it to 7 here and 3 here. Right? Yeah. You've got this. Message me if you have any problems with this or you have any questions. And then we're going to look at the next page. Missing addends. Addends are the two numbers you add together. So these are all mystery numbers. Something plus 6 equals 9. Something plus 7 equals 12. So I made 5 groups with 7 in it, and then I counted on 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And you can do the same thing for any of these. Draw 6 and then draw some more until you get 9. Or you can put up 9 fingers and put down 5, 6 of them. What's that mystery number there? So you can draw a picture to solve these. You can use your handy calculator, or you can do it in your good brain. Your choice. Now, you cannot use your handy calculator on the ones that make 12. You cannot use your handy calculator on the ones that make 11. God didn't give you 11 or 12 fingers, did he? You may have to take off your socks and use your toes. No, what you can do on these is you can count on, or you can make a math picture. Your choice. Do what works best for you. You've got this, Math Rock Stars. Bye.